Now to our top 5 tips. There's a lot to think about, so designing your lighting scheme early in your project is important. In fact, just as soon as you have drawings and are ready to proceed. Spend time to list out the priority features of your home for lighting. Try to identify as many as you can and then be selective, focusing on the ones you want to create impact and to the wow factor. Avoid overuse of a single lighting solution. Create variation and add character. Think bring your home to life at night. Windows, bifold doors and other features all become subdued unless they are given proper lighting consideration. And in just the same way as you engage an architect, an interior designer or a kitchen planner, engage a professional lighting designer.